Welcome to the Exam Coach 11 Plus Exam Entry Guide for the Henrietta Barnett School. The topics covered in this video are linked in the timestamps within the video description below, so you can jump to a specific section if you would like to. When your child is preparing for the 11 Plus exam, remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel by hitting the red subscribe button. The Exam Coach also offers fun and effective 11 Plus exam preparation workshops throughout the year. Just visit our website for all the information and our latest schedule. Again, the link is in the description below. The Henrietta Barnett School was established in 1911 and is an all-girls selective grammar school. The school is known as one of the best state schools in the UK. The school specialises in music and English. It was voted the top girls' state school in November 2019 by the Sunday Times Parent Power GCSE and A-Level League table. The school has a total of 792 students with 100 places available for Year 7 entry. On average, there are approximately 10 or more applicants per place. The exam style used for the Henrietta Barnett School is GL assessment and school written testing. The specific areas tested are English, Maths, Verbal Reasoning and Non-Verbal Reasoning. There are 2 rounds of entrance exams. In round 1, students are tested on GL assessment, English, Verbal Reasoning and Non-Verbal Reasoning. In round 2, students are tested on English and Maths with school written testing. Only the top 300 students are invited to progress to the second round of testing. No minimum score or mark is required. The results of both sets of exams will be used to determine the final rankings and place allocations for the school, highest first. The latest information for this year's application process, including key dates, school catchment area, oversubscription policy and contact information, are available on the Exam Coach website, linked below this video. Effective preparation is vital to doing well in the 11 Plus exam. We would recommend that you start revision and preparation as early as possible. With the help of Exam Coach 11 Plus workshops, you can begin building and consolidating your child's 11 Plus exam skills on a weekly basis. We also provide free practice tests and answers to reflect the types of questions that frequently appear in 11 Plus exams. In addition, your child can expand their vocabulary by tuning in to our daily Vocab Show podcast, available on YouTube, iTunes, Spotify and Amazon Music. Finally, we recommend you read our 18-point 11 Plus exam preparation guide. Our workshops and resources are used by thousands of 11 Plus students every year. All of these resources can be found on our website, linked below this video. Thanks for watching and good luck with your 11 Plus application.